Changing the oil in a car is a critical maintenance task, but it's also one where people often make mistakes. The 6 most common mistakes include: Number 6, not using the correct oil. Every car has a recommended oil type and viscosity. Using the wrong oil can lead to reduced lubrication and performance issues. Number 5, overfilling or underfilling. Adding too much oil can cause increased pressure, potentially leading to leaks or damage. Too little oil means inadequate lubrication for the engine. Number 4, failing to install the drain plug or new oil filter properly. Failing to properly tighten the drain plug or new oil filter can lead to significant leaks and engine damage. Number 3, not checking for leaks after the change. It's important to check under the car for any signs of oil leakage after the change, especially around the drain plug and filter. Number 2, ignoring manufacturer's recommendations. Not following the manufacturer's maintenance schedule or specifications can lead to premature wear or even void the warranty. Number 1, skipping the pre-change engine warm-up. Running the engine for a few minutes before changing the oil helps to warm it up, making it flow easier and more completely out of the engine. Avoiding these common mistakes can help ensure a smoother process and prolong the life of your vehicle's engine.